guess like I would ask, I would loop in like the person who wrote that code, Akash, into that bug and asking like, are you doing some auto, like is this correcting like an upside down image?
Okay, cool. Into like this bug.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Or
Or sorry, the bug itself. You can go to a sign.
okay, and I can like just I see something.
I would go down. Keep scrolling down. Just like yeah, just type in.
I'll find these out. What's the name of this file?
Static thing. I just put a KMK.
Yeah.
One keyboard show. Yeah, this guy.
Acosta.
I've talked to him before in the past. So yeah, just that guy and you should enter so that or up that so that actually sees. And just say like you've been debugging the audio only implementation of the image component. And you notice the like canvas.rotate portion. I would also link the part of the code search. That frame. Scroll down to where that rotate is. Yep, exactly. Yeah. You can use a smartphone. So.
How do you do like a hyperlink?
Yeah. You do the brackets. You can do like no, sorry. I should say like, and then the text that you want hyperlinked. You could, let's say you do portion,
So,
bracket around portions. Let's say. And then, sorry, parentheses, regular parentheses, link.
Okay.
Oh no, sorry.
Whoops.
This part is
This,
bracket,
and
then a parentheses, yeah, and then the link.
Yes. Okay.
And then
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
And then, is this auto-correcting an upside-down image? Auto-correcting the avatar image. Yeah, I think we just needed some, yeah, that's basically it, just like asking them like, if they're doing some auto-correction themselves on that side, but not on the green screen background image, right? Because there's some disparate differences here.
Okay.
I don't think Akash will be able to answer the green screen side, but at least like the image only
Okay.
side will be able to answer.
I can Yes.
Yeah, let's see what this says on that.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for
Yeah,
walking through that. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't know if there's. Yeah, unfortunately, haven't been able to get an actual fix here. But I think the reason like is like there's two different implementations here, right? Like there's at least differences between the audio only and green screen. So it's like if you're trying to fix it within media, it's gonna probably compromise one versus the other, right? Like
Yeah.
so like there's something here that's like missing. Whether that's like as part of our image component bitmap, like passing in an orientation that we then appropriately readjust the image. That could be one thing. But
Yeah,
right,
and
so like this whole orientation, like we could do that for the bitmap part itself, right? So like in the image component when they created, they passed just the bitmap, right? They could pass the bitmap and the orientation, and then we could do the readjusting for them. But I don't know exactly if that's the right answer anyways. Like so it's I'm curious to see if they actually do something there.
Is this so Nate told me that basically he thought that the thing to do, like the issue that big issue he saw with this bug is that this function call is like relatively expensive.
Yes.
Anatoly seemed to like not be totally convinced of that, and it doesn't. I guess the way I saw to avoid that
Yeah.
is that you could maybe just like pass it on to the like OpenGL code, like in this file, which is not this is testing, but
Yeah.
you add like an extra transformation
Right,
matrix here
Transformation matrix.
that would just like invert it. Is that like worth
It's possible.
pursuing? And I don't know how the like performance, how that would, if that would actually be like less memory or not. Like I don't know what the implications of this line of code are.
So memory-wise, there would be an improvement because you're not creating a secondary bitmap. But I guess my question is, I don't even know if we need to do this part itself. Like, you might just be able to define if you code search with composition component. Go to that. Action spec. Well, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, graphical. You'll see these graphical component wrapper. There's like a rotation degrees thing here.
Yeah.
You see, right? Like in our meeting APIs, we allow them to like specify the rotation, a rotation, like what am I trying to say, like field. That basically then we will handle any rotations that they need. So like if you just have it done here, and then we already have the capability to do this rotation when we like composite all the different components together. So I guess what I'm saying is like they could just pass it as part of the rotation degrees potentially, which is already like as a part of our media APIs, and that would also fix this. I don't know if like we need to do the additional like shader like portion because that shader part is already implemented in our. We have this like texture frame flattener class that does like composites every component here. So like image component or video component, all of it together, it flattens it into one single texture. That already happens in our shader code today.
Okay, and
Yeah.
this, so like the client would specify like rotate this 180 degrees or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Which I'm trying to think, is that actually the same as like if you have a coordinate system like 0 to 1 and you want to like map it to one that's like 1 to 0? Like, because the OpenGL coordinate system is like, this is like the distinction.
Yeah.
Like a 180 degree rotation. Would that be the same as just a vertical reflection in this coordinate space? I assume you would not have suggested it if it was
Yeah,
different.
I mean, it should work the same. Actually, I'm not, is it? Actually, that's a good question. Is it actually, which way is it? Which way is I actually assumed that it was just rotate 180, but is it actually flip 180 degrees? Is that?
So in flip and rotate bitmap,
I see.
well, I think like I actually don't know the answer to this question, but I believe that if you were to
Oh, I said, well, like, what are you seeing right now with the image?